Just a friend into slavery. Ooh, remember ourselves can free your minds, free your mind, make your mind. Ooh, ooh, I wanna love you. Oh, I wanna love you. I wanna love you.
Good morning and happy Monday. I am heading out on a long day today. I'm helping a friend, a business out on a yacht party. I'm excited about that. I have to take pictures, videos. We'll see how this goes. On the boat. Can't see. Just waiting, preparing for everybody to come. So it's they just got married yesterday, so now it's like the after party. I know it's a bachelor, but no, it's the whole bridal party. I think there's like 33 people coming, so this should be exciting.
Really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. What's your name? What's your sign?
Excelente, amigos. Welcome everybody. The name of the boat is Cancun. Where are you guys from? From all over. Okay. Amigos, welcome everybody. I'm going to introduce the group right now. Remember how it works right here. Hey, 4 claps means more drink for everybody. That's right, amigos. Hey.
Yo, I am done. I'm home. Today was a long day. I left out at 9, got home about 9:30. So almost 12 hours I've been out in the sun. So I'm gonna take a shower, lay down. I say I'm gonna watch YouTube, but it's 10:20 now. I'm a knockout probably. Woo, I look beat. Just ordered this sandwich. It's called Torta something. It's good, it's good, it's good. Yes. So, this is tamarind, this is horchata. Sometimes horchata is a hit and miss. Just regular grilled onions. Multias. So it's like I say, everything is kind of the same here. It's just variations of how they make it. So this is a pollo mulata. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But it's just like 2 tortillas fried, like a quesadilla basically. And then this is what I like, torta, which is a sandwich. With cheese and guacamole and mayo. Oh, this is so good. Good morning. Well, actually no, good afternoon. It just made afternoon 4 minutes ago. And happy Thursday. Oh, it's Thursday. Almost the end of the week. So I've been up and busy already. I got my place clean. Miss Carolina came. She did her thing per usual. I told her, you know, my exit date So when I told her my exit date last time she was here. So when she came back, she's like, Cory, you know, I'm like, well, you still got, you know, a couple of more weeks and stuff. So, yeah, that's gonna be, I don't even want to talk about it, but she did ask me about a while ago, like when she first started coming here, she's like, oh, she didn't really know what, I think she knew what an air fryer was, but she was like, oh, where'd you get it from? I'm like, here. Well, that made me think like she wants one, you know, she could use one. So I already had it in my head that I was gonna gift her one when I leave. But today, you know, since she was like, oh, you know, you're leaving soon, she's like, she didn't know exactly what came with the apartment. I said, I bought all the appliances except for the refrigerator and the microwave, but I'm not taking that in other than my ice machine. That's the main thing that I want to bring back with me, because I have an air fryer at home. So she was like, oh, maybe, you know, you could sell it to me, whatever. I'm gonna give it to her because it's new. Like, I don't even use that thing like I should be. I use the stovetop more, but yeah, it's, you can't see it, but it's new. I was like, yo, you could take that, you could take the coffee maker, you could take the blender. She can't take my frother or my egg machine, because those are definitely coming back with me. Those are small. But this, I don't need it. I have one. I have one. This, I don't have. This was not a good penny, but it was a good penny. It was about $100 and something. I think like 120 or something. But I love this thing. Like, I don't know how I would survive in Mexico without it, because you can't drink the faucet water. I don't have a refrigerator that has the spout. So my water obviously comes from here, and if I want something cold, if I put it in a refrigerator. Good afternoon and happy Friday. We've made it to the end of the work week. Yeah, I didn't do nothing yesterday after Carolina came. I chilled. I did order me a Dairy Queen, and I watched some YouTube videos. So that was my satisfying night. So the other day I caught myself cleaning my sneakers. I cleaned them because they're white. Cleaned them, sat them outside to dry. They were pearly white. Then I let them sit overnight. I take them back, and then they're not pearly white no more. Like, they have like a yellow tint in some spots. You see that? So I'm like, what the heck? So now I'm gonna have to wash them again, because your girl Cory was scrubbing. So we're gonna have to figure that out, because I may have, okay, so for those of y'all who are new, the entrepreneur, I have my own travel business. I'm a travel consultant. I do groups, I do luxury trips, I do cruises, solo, whatever. And now I've done weddings, but now I'm tapping into weddings and branching off from my travel agency, creating a new company under the same umbrella. Well, my travel business is called Fork and Fly. Under the same umbrella, I'm branching off to melanated destination weddings, so I can focus on weddings, but under, you know, that umbrella. I'm signing up to go visit some resorts, so I can give it to my clients when they're looking for specific needs in their resorts, or when they get married. This is what what we're supposed to do. There are some travel agents out there who they call themselves travel agents, but they don't necessarily do the work. And we're not gonna get into that, but I do my work. Like, whenever I'm at my computer, I'm either editing, booking a trip, or researching. So now this one, I'm going to see the resorts. I'm researching. I'll see the ins and out of the resorts so I know if this is something that my client is looking for. Good morning, Cory crew, and happy Monday. It's the start of a new week. I'm excited. Gonna do some things a little different this week. Also, if you are new here, I am Cory. Hi, welcome. I do weekly vlogs. I am currently living in Mexico because a couple of years ago I did a segment dating Cory in Atlanta. Stress. But I met somebody, we dated, we moved to Mexico. I broke my ankle, which is 95% better, thank goodness. And we broke up, and I'm still here. I love cooking and traveling. Well, I love cooking and I'm a travel consultant. Since you're already here, click that subscribe button and join the Cory crew. Thanks. On today's agenda, I'm gonna wash my hair. Yes, I wash my braids. Do you? Keep it real. Do you? Leave in the comments, do you wash your braids? Cause girl, I told you in the last vlog, or the last week's vlog, how I have eczema. I think I have eczema on my scalp. Girl. Yes, my braids need to be washed. But first, you know what it is. Coffee. It's time to eat. I ordered me some food. This is tamarind frescas, like agua frescas, I think. Hopefully I'm saying it right. But you know, like tamarind balls, like if you're from the island, you know what tamarind is. Tortas. Oh my goodness. So it's protein, cheese, cilantro, guacamole, and mayonnaise, and onions. Guys, I just stepped out of my room because I was in the dark, and I just saw the sunset. Look. Oh shoot, it does no justice. Oh gosh, that's one thing I love about my view. It's actually coming out brighter on the camera. Let me see. This is how it looks. What? Oh. Good afternoon, Cory crew. It's dark here. 1 minute. That's better. I treated myself out to eat to dinner, well, early dinner because it's 6 o'clock here. Thank you. So I started eating before I recorded. This is my food. Curry chicken rolls, and then I got tacos. So the pork bellies are the best. And I got 1 beef, 1 chicken. And I got some pork bellies to go home with me because it is delicious. I'm actually a travel consultant. So yeah, I have my own travel agency, yep.
You have your own travel agency?
Of course, yes. Wait, uh-oh. I have to fly back after 180 days. So 6 months, yeah. Sometimes, yes. I am back home. I had a fun little solo outing from London, but his background is Indian. He's here for work. We exchanged Instagrams. And he paid, Raul, he paid for a shot because he kept on saying, you need a shot, take a shot. I'm like, you gonna take a shot? He's like, I just got another drink. Good afternoon and happy Saturday. Yo, I think this is one of the best days ever, weather-wise. Look at this. Yes, it's cloudy. It's lightning and thundering over there. But this is the first time during the day that I was able to keep this open and there's wind flowing through my place. It feels so good, so good. It's lightning and thunder and definitely over there. But when you look this way, it's bright, clear. So over there, lightning, thunder. Over there, clear skies. But it looks like the clouds are coming in. I've been watching Love is Blind. Now I'm on a reunion for the second one. Oh my God, I've been crying the whole time. Like, I'm already emotional, but just watching it, I'm like, oh, there is love out there.